Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome to Alex Chen's channel. First, let me introduce myself a little bit to all of you. I've spent the past 18 years sourcing and manufacturing goods across China and Southeast Asia, working closely with the factories to develop everything from everyday item to new brand product ideas. Whether it's for big chain stores or first-time entrepreneurs, I help them to turn concepts into scalable, real-world products. This channel is all about sharing practical insights, real stories, and proven strategies to anyone is interested in importing from Asia. No matter you are a business starter, product developer, or you just curious about how things get made and shipped, I'm sure you are in the right place. Today we are going to talk about the first of top 5 pitfalls when foreign buyers face when sourcing from China. I think the most important thing for sourcing from China that is finding qualified suppliers. So here is the trap. Fake supplier credentials. I know many buyers, they will find new suppliers in B2B platforms such as Alibaba. Here I recommend the other two platforms, that is Global Source and Made in China. These two platforms are widely used in China. Many suppliers, they will upload their certifications and business license in the platform. The purpose for them to upload this, that is to win orders. But this will mislead you to judge the qualified suppliers. How to avoid it? First, ask a supplier to send live videos about factory facilities, such as production line, warehouse, and showroom. But don't forget to ask them to send you the picture of their gate, because there's a company name on the top of the gate. You should check if the company name is the same as the business license. Second, cross-check their business license and certifications in official website, such as business license. You can go to China official government website to check whether it is real entrepreneurs. And for CE and UL certificate, you can go to CE and UL official website to check their certification is valid or not. Third, find third-party audit company to help you to audit factories. And you can check all the information they provided is the same as the audit company documents or not. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe it. We will see you next time to share the second trap. Thank you all.